If your current print-on-demand workflow consists of hours searching for and creating mockups for your listings, the bad news is you're wasting your time. The good news is we have a solution for that, and this is the perfect video for you. Let's check it out. In the Kittl dashboard in the AI Hub tab, we have these new things called workflows. And there's a lot of different things that you can do here. You can create designs, you can create videos for social media, you can create mockups, product visuals, even branding and designs. But specifically for this video, we're talking about mockups. So this is really simple. Check this out. All I have to do is click on one of the mockups. There's this nice flat lay one, and it's going to give me a couple of different parameters here. So I'm going to fill this out by putting my design in here. And then we've got a couple of different product selections, which is super nice. We're going to be adding more to this, and you can add a custom product here if you don't see yours. But the Comfort Colors shirt is pretty popular and a lot of people use that. So I'm just going to go with that. But this makes it really easy to match exactly whatever shirt you're using for your print-on-demand product with the mockup right here. So everything is accurate. And then we get to place this design here. And this is going to be a front center. So I'm going to click this and we're going to hit generate. And in just a few moments, I've got a beautiful, beautiful mock-up of my t-shirt ready to go. Now, if I hover over this, I'm going to be presented with a couple options. I can just go ahead and download this right here from the dashboard, or I can click edit, and there's a couple things I can do. I can remove the background from this. I can upscale it if I need to, or I can open this in the editor to change the background if I wanted to. So I'm going to click edit in a new project and see what we can do. So once we're in the editor, I've got my generation right here. It is on an artboard. You don't have to keep it on an artboard. I can just drag this off and we can work in the endless canvas here. But I want to change the background of this to something a little bit more fitting to the t-shirt. So I'm going to select my image, go down to the prompt box, and I'm actually going to use Kittl's new Agentic AI feature to change the background. And what I want to do is change the background to a lavender color comforter because it's about rest. And so I want it to kind of look like bed sheets in the background. And we'll hit generate, and it's going to start thinking about my request and then give me my generation. So I love this generation, and it fits the vibe of the product perfectly. I want to take another second to explain just how powerful the Agentic feature is in letting you customize things after you've created something with one of the workflows. So I've got this selected. I'm going to come down here and delete this prompt, and I'll type something like, I've got create 4 images of this t-shirt on a model, and then you can describe what you want your model to look like. I just said female with dark hair because that's what's on the shirt, mid-20s, and use the same model for every image. And as you can see, it's starting to think, and now it's generating my mockups. And in just a few moments, I've got all 4 of my images, and all of these look fantastic. And these are ready to go. These are ready to put right on the Etsy listing, no question. The design is perfect. It matches what I put in there perfectly. They're all crisp, high res, and it just followed the prompt to a T. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this one right here so I can actually show you how to take this further by creating a video. So I'm back on the AI workflows page. You can see your recent generations right here, which is super nice. You don't have to go crawling through stuff to find it. And I'm going to do this little mirror selfie one, and I'm going to upload my image here. So I've got my image, and then you can describe your model, which is also super helpful. I'm going to say something similar: woman, mid-20s, dark hair. And since this is about rest, I'll just do bedroom for this. And if you want to put something in here that's not listed, you can just type it in this prompt box right here. This specifically is for a TikTok or an Instagram Reels post. So this is going to be 916, but I'm going to show you exactly how to make it square if you want to use it for an Etsy listing. So we're going to go ahead and click generate. And when I hit generate, you probably saw that little notice come up that says that you can leave to go do other stuff, and it's going to continue on your generation. So you don't have to stay on this page the whole time. If you want to go start another generation or go work on a template or some designs or something and come back to it, you can totally do that. And I've got my generation back right here. This looks awesome. It's directly in the setting that I described, the person that I described. The design is actually backwards how it would be on a mirror, so that's accurate as well. And you can actually generate multiple at a time. So I went back here and I clicked generate to showcase that you can do multiple. And so this one's loading, but I can go ahead and download this one right here from the dashboard, or I can click edit it in my existing project that we generated the t-shirt in. And I've already got a nice artboard right here ready to go, and I can size this up. I can play this video to make sure that the confines of the video looks good within the square. And since this is on an artboard that is a square, I can just click the artboard itself, click export, and it's in the video format and it'll download as a square. Perfect for your listing. Well, that's pretty much Kittl workflows in a nutshell. I promise this is going to save you a ton of time. It's super fast, super accurate. So go try it out in Kittl today for free. And if you want to upgrade to a paid plan to get some more of those premium features and more monthly credits, we have a promo code for you in the description of this video. So check that out as well. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new cool features, updates, things that can help you in your print-on-demand workflow so that you can work faster and make more money. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.